All right, guys, we're here at Sonoma Raceway with Lightspeed, and the BRZ has brand new tires, less than 50 miles on these Kumho V730s. I think my car is about as prepped as I want it to be for track work now. I've got the ColorFittings, oil cooler, Annex ClubSpec Pro, pre-production coilovers, 5K front, 7K rear, 17 by 8 inch Enkei wheels with these 225 section width Kumho V730s, Raybestos ST45 front pads, PowerStop Track Day Spec rear pads. Let's see what this thing can do. My goal today is a 155.
Next right, on the apex. Nice work.
Already did a 154.87. That's 3 seconds faster than I was last time with the exact same setup, except on very old Kumho V730 tires. Just a fresh set of tires helped me shave 3 whole seconds. Let's see if we can shave that time down to a 153 in the next few sessions here. It's already 3 p.m. and we've only done 1 session. I was helping out with registration in the morning, went out the second session, did that 154.7, and then just a string of unfortunate events. We had a couple of crashes, including someone forgetting to torque their lug nuts. But hey, that's just how it is sometimes. When you have 100 people at a track day, there's always bound to be a couple of mishaps. I find that it always helps to have a checklist of things to do before you go out for your first session.
apex later. Nice work. Next right, apex earlier. Nice work. Next right, carry more speed. Nice work.
Having these new tires really helped me reacquaint myself with this car after all the mods that I've done to it over the past few months. I haven't really been comfortable tracking this thing since I put these coilovers on. So I'm happy to say that now I'm back to where I was before, at least in terms of driving confidence. So with that said, a big shout out to Lightspeed for hosting another great track day. Also a shout out to Annex for developing this pre-production ClubSpec Pro coilover kit for my BRZ. Can't wait to see what they're capable of once the production version is out. But even for a development kit like mine, I'm pretty happy with the on-track handling and performance. I was able to take the bumps no problem here at Sonoma Raceway. If you guys enjoy my track day videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.